Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you haven't watched the first video, then I would request you to go and watch the first tutorial and then come back to the second one. So today's video is about trend, and we will also discuss more about advanced candlestick data. So today we are going to talk about trend, and before that we are going to talk more about some advanced stuff or advanced data about candlesticks. So yesterday we saw two types of candlesticks. One was green when the price was going up, and another one was red when the another one was red when the price was going down. So this is the most basic stuff, or this is the most basic knowledge of trading. So now we will move a bit forward, and we are going to use some professional language or professional namings of these phenomena. From now on, we will call the green candle buy, or bullish, and we are going to call the red one sell or bearish. So by bullish, we mean when we say a candlestick is bullish or a market is bullish, it represents the market is going upwards. And when we say the market is in selling or in bearish, we mean the market is going down. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's move on to something a bit more advanced. If you go to a market, if you are in a platform, generally the market looks like this. Let's say the market starts from 60. This is how market goes. There is never a market that always moves like this. There is never a market that it always goes up, and there will never be a market that always goes down. Market moves like this. Okay, so this is the simpler form. Market moves like market goes up, then market goes down, then sometimes market goes sideways, then it goes up, or maybe it goes down. This is how market moves. The prices go up, prices go down. This is what market goes, or market continues. Now we are going to talk about trend. So if we draw a line from here, you will see the market is going up. Okay, the market is going up. From here, the market is now going down. And from here, the market is going sideways. Okay, so when the market is going upward, we call it a bullish market. When the market is going down, we call it bearish market. And when the market is not going up, not going down, going sideways, we call it a sideways market. So there are strategies, there are ways to trade in all three types of markets. When in bullish market, you have to follow a certain strategy, which we will cover in next few videos. And when the market is in bearish market, there are strategies that you need to follow to make money from it. And when the market is in sideways, there are some strategies that you need to follow as well. Bullish market has a different strategy, bearish market has a different strategy, sideways market has a different strategy. If you look on the bullish market, you will see that the size of buying candles or bullish candles or green candles are more, because green candles or up candles or buyer candles are more. It is now a bullish market. Same, the opposite goes for bearish market. When there are too many sellers, too many down candles, too many bearish candles, the market goes down. And in the sideways market, the volume or the size of or the movement of both up candles and down candles, buyer candle and seller candle, remains almost the same. So this is called a sideways market because the competition is very heavy between buyer and seller. Let me ask you a question. In a bullish market, which party do you think is in power? Do you think the buyers are in control or the sellers are in control? In the bearish market, which party do you think is more powerful or have the control of the market? Buyers or sellers? In the sideways market, which party do you think is in control? The buyers or the sellers? Let me help you. In the bullish market, the buyers are in control. That's why they are making more and more green candles, and that's why the market is going up. In the bearish market, the sellers are in control. That's why you are seeing more and more red candles. In the sideways market, some people call it an indecision market, some people call it a heavy competition market. Why? Because in the sideways market, both buyers and sellers are in control. It is not sure which party is more powerful. Both are in fierce competition, and that's why the market is not going up and not going down, they are going sideways. So this is how you can define between you can define the trend of a market. You can now, I hope you can easily define if a market is bullish, bearish, or in sideways. So normally normally the most easiest way to decide if a market is going up or down is to draw a line. When you draw a line, if you see that there is no candle that crosses the bottom line, then you can easily say, okay, the market is going upwards. But when the candle crosses the line and you don't see any line that crosses the above line, it means the market has changed its course, changed its trend, and now it's bearish. So let me show you again. When, if you are not sure if the market is in uptrend or a downtrend, what you need to do, you need to draw a line. In technical terms, we call it a trend line. You see, none of these candles totally crosses this line, which means the market is now in uptrend. But suddenly, a candle totally crosses this line and it starts to create candles down of this trend line, which means this line is not valid anymore. So now we will create, we will draw another line which is from top to bottom, and as none of these lines or as none of these candles is crossing this trend line, it means that the bearish trend is still ongoing. And let's say you are not sure if it is sideways or not. Let's say in this trend you think it's a sideways market. The easiest way to define a sideways market is to draw a rectangle. If you draw a rectangle, you will see that most of the candles that you draw here is within this rectangle. They are not crossing the upper section, upper line. They are not crossing the bottom line as well. So it is sure that it is a sideways market. If you take this rectangle and put it here, you will see that the candles does not fit within this rectangle. They are crossing the line up or they are crossing the bottom line, which means that this is not a sideways market. So in this case, if you draw a trend line, you will see that this is a bullish market. Same goes for the bearish market. If you try to cover all these candles in the bearish market, you will see that these does not fit, which means that this is not a sideways market. So let me recap. When the market is trending, you will use a trend line to identify if it is a bullish market or a bearish market. If you want to use a trend line in a sideways market, you will see it does not fit. Why? Because there is no trend in it. There is no prominent or a primary trend in it. It is a sideways market. So for this sideways market, you need to draw a rectangle. When you will see that the market is not getting back to your rectangle anymore, then you need to draw a trend line to understand what trend has started right now. So this is how trends look like in a market. I would request you not to go to any platform right now, because I haven't explained all the things to you. If you go to a market and start trading, you will occur a loss. So please hold on to your horses, have patience, learn a few things. After few more videos, you can easily go to a market and understand all sorts of stuff. If you get excited, you go to a market and you start trading, you will occur a loss, because this is just a basic. I hope this video has helped you to learn more about trends. On the next video, we are going to talk more about how you can understand more about the market structure, and how you can also accurately learn more about where the market is going, or how you can predict more about what the next candle or the next trend would be. So until then, please watch this video again and again, And my suggestion would be to grab a notebook, write down, because trading, what no matter what people say, trading is the most profitable business in the world right now, and also it is the most toughest one. So thank you for watching. If you are confused or if you have a question, go to the comment section, ask a question, all your question. I don't mind answering your questions. I love it, and if needed, I will make a separate video to explain stuff to you if it is needed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I'll see you on the next video.